What happens if you do horse stance every day? The horse posture exercise is basic to Chinese martial arts and is commonly practiced in disciplines such as Kung Fu and Tai Chi. It is a static standing position that promotes lower body strength, stability, balance, and endurance. Anyone, from gym-goers to athletes, can benefit from the horse posture in terms of fitness, feeling, and movement. The benefits will vary based on how you do it, your aims, and the technique you selected. Watch this video to discover out why you should do the horse posture exercise for as little as 5 minutes every week to reap great advantages. 1. It improves your posture. When you're in horse stance, your weight is evenly distributed between both feet. You do not lean forwards or backwards, which permits the upper body muscles to balance and relax over time. Your shoulders will be less hunched and your body will not droop. Remember that better posture makes you more appealing to others and does not require the utilization of muscles that are compensating for poor posture. 2. Strengthens the abdominal muscles. To keep the body upright in a low horse stance, contract your abdominal muscles, which will result in a flatter stomach. 3. A stronger back. When your abdominal muscles are stronger and can hold the abdominal organs in place, you will have more front back support. This relaxes the muscles in your lower back. They can relax, and you can help them grow stronger. You'll be more upright, and your back will be less susceptible to injury. Strengthening your abdominal muscles can also help decrease aches and pains caused by bad posture. Martial artists will also experience speedier punches and kicks. 4. Stronger kidneys. Now that the lower back is relaxed, it relieves strain on the kidneys and allows them to perform more effectively, strengthening the entire kidney energy system. The kidneys also serve several endocrine functions. They contribute to the production of vitamin D, which helps to keep bones strong, and they have a function in the hormones that regulate blood pressure. So doing the horse stance in a low posture every day will increase bone density and lower blood pressure. 5. Stronger yang energy. Maintaining a low horse stance is hard and will help your body create yang energy. You will be more forceful, have more energy, and remain warm. The horse stance is a strenuous exercise, especially for beginners. It is critical to listen to your body. Start with shorter durations and gradually increase the intensity and length of the activity as you gain strength and endurance. Maintaining good form and alignment is critical to avoiding strain or injury. Hence, it is strongly advised to learn and practice with the supervision of a certified instructor. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.